Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies. We're on a little structural project. Got a steel beam here where we grouted the beam pockets. And I'm going to be pouring a sister pad next to these pads. They're not moving yet, so this is just kind of some preventative maintenance to ensure that they don't move in the future. Got our rebar installed. Got a nice cage in there. Got these drilled and doweled into that footing. We're going to get this guy poured with some high strength concrete. Just a little extra insurance that these original pads aren't going to do any moving. I'm going to have quite a few videos to this project. You can follow along on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link. You can watch over 2,000 videos of my other projects. Thanks for watching, Jade Alpine. I'll see you guys on the next video.